Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Barely Running Garage. I'm Gibby. This is Steel Ford. Today, we're going to have lots of fun. No, we're not. Not at all. We're going to do wiring. Stick around. Well, we're going to call it a night right there. We got the wiring harness out, and it's about 10 degrees out. It feels like missing digits numbers, but we got the wiring harness out. I appreciate you all for watching. And remember, if you're doing a project like this on your own, take the time to label your harnesses or take lots of pictures, notes. That way there, when you're going to put it back together, you can come up with a game plan and run your wirings correctly. Thanks again, guys. As always, I appreciate you watching my videos, and have a good night.